Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening these Na 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 surprise dolls, and the one I really badly want is Aubrey Hart. I'm super excited to open them. I've seen a lot of videos where like they blow it up with a straw and then they clap it and all confetti comes out, so that's probably going to be my favourite part of it. So yeah, let's get started. That went everywhere! I want to try that again. No? Okay. That scared me. Look all the confetti. Okay, now how do we open this? The question. So guys, the confetti is so pretty. If you didn't get that quite, just never. But I'm not sure how we open this. Guys, time to... Scissors is what I need. Satisfying. Let's see what I got. I think I know who I got. I'm not going to tell you. I really want to tell you. I'm bursting. I think I got Sarah Snuggles. So guys, here are the two blind bags. Mum, the collector's guide is it. So I did get her. I just saw her with her little keychain. Okay, keep that over here. So I'm gonna open the blind bag first. Save the exciting part till last. Save the best till last, it's called. I think this is a little purse. No, it isn't actually. I think it's like, it's her outfit. Look at that, guys. It's just so soft. I could wear that myself. I wish it fit me. So guys, her shoes. Look at them. Let me put them on my finger. Do a little catwalk. I thought they got stuck on my fingers. Okay. Come on. Okay. Open her. Okay, there's a big thingamabob in here. But I really like this. How do we get her out? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Like this. Oh yeah, it's tape stuck on the edges. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Just all of this one's in. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's actually, I thought she would be like a doll, but she's actually like a soft toy. Like a teddy, a flexible teddy. Na 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 surprise dolls. So guys, I have always wanted hair like this colour and this length. Like, it's so nice. So should we get her dressed? I think we should. So guys, my beautiful bear is all ready. She is so nice. I love the outfit. Should put it closer up. So here she is, so you can get the full glimpse of her. I'm holding her by the hair. So I really like her. So after this video, I am going to tick her off on my list. But love you guys. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.